Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have Quilty Box. This is for August. And this is the new box I'm guessing so far. And it was inside of a bag, so it's not sealed. I haven't opened it, but it was inside like a mailing bag. So here we go. Here's what's inside. And the box is nice and clean, so you can reuse it or keep stuff stored because it's not dirty since they sealed it in a bag. Okay, here's the bundles of inspiration. This is for August 2020. That's kind of cool. Let's see here. And Paper Pieces is the new owners now. There's a message from Jake. This is what's inside the classic Quilty Box, which is what I have here. And here are the prices. I'll have links down below as well. This is what's inside the English paper piecing box, which I do not get. And there's the prices for that. And this also tells what came in it, so if you're interested in what came in the paper piecing, you can just look at this list here, and that's what's in the paper piecing one. And here's our featured artist. I keep meaning to look up his name because I do not know how to say it. And there's some Q&As with him. Okay. And this is his the featured quilt, which is right on front. So there's directions on how to do that. There's a second quilt with directions called Color Study Number 21. I like that one. And there's directions for that. And here's a third instruction. This is called Prismatic Pillow Pair by Jenny Baker of In Color Order. There's what it looks like. And then our Spotlight subscriber is Debbie D'Angelo. And next month's sneak peek will be Linda Fitch and Vanessa Lilla Rose from Wishwell and Friends. And a Wishwell guest designer, Leslie Tucker Jennison. Let me get this open, so I always forget that. Let's see what's inside here. Okay. We have our thread, which is variegated. So that's a green variegation. It is Wonderfill 2D Company TU31. The number. And this is Egyptian cotton, 50 weight, 200 meters. And that is retail value $4.99. Let's see. This is a custom sunglass template designed by our featured artist. I'm thinking it's juicy. I don't know. Like I said, I shouldn't even try. So it's like a little keychain, and it comes with a chain as well to hook through here. So you can see the little picture in there. This is a seam guide, and it does have a little, so you can hang it on something. So you see the lines there. This retails for $8.50, and this is designed by our featured artist. Next one is the custom sea glass template. Retails for $12. This measures about 6 1/4 by 4 1/2 this way. So that's a sea glass template. We have a precision cutter with slice ceramic blade. Looks like a marker. That's interesting. So this is slice precision cutter. Retails for $8.99. No tool blade change, reinforced nylon handle, finger friendly. ambidextrous, and it has a safety cap. Open it up. Okay. Here it is. You can kind of see the point in there. It is pointy. And it's like oval shape. There's a little flat spot here so it's not going to roll off your table. Let's see what it says about it. It says never rust, non-conductive, chemically inert, non-magnetic. Has a textured grip handle, which it does. Reinforced nylon handle. No tool blade change. And a portion of the purchase price is donated to autism research. 1% for autism. So it's called the Slice. Here's the number. And there's what it is. It says replaceable safety blade, but I'm not sure how to get it out. So, I don't know. So there's that. Now we have the fabric. So we have the fabric bundle. It's Prism fabric bundle, designed by our featured artist, and it retails for $30. And did I say this? This retails for $8.99. I don't remember if I said that. So let's take a look at this. So here's the first one. I want to open it up because you can't really see it all the way. Here's what it looks like. It's like a color chart. That's kind of cool. And we have this green one. This one looks like splattered paint. It's like another paint chart. Another one of these in a different color. I think that's kind of cool. I kind of like that. There's this one. And this one. Okay, that is everything. And this box retails for up to $48 a month, depending on how many months you pay for. It's $48 a month with shipping. If you prepay for 3 months, it's $46. If you prepay for 6 months, it's $45. And if you prepay for 12 months, it's $44. And that includes shipping. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. And I will be having another unboxing video after this one, so you can check out both of them. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.